So we're making some vegan style Thai curry noodles using some Nongshim noodles, and we're using the vegetarian ramen noodles for this. We're adding some sesame oil in a pan. I'm going to allow that to heat. In the meanwhile, we're going to take some Thai ginger, which is galangal, couple of bird's eye chilies. We're going to take some lemongrass and muddle everything together. Once the sesame oil is heated, we're going to add in the lemongrass, the galangal, the Thai chilies, and cook this for about 30 seconds. Finally, we are adding in some vegetables. We're using some mushrooms, some zucchini, and some carrots. It's a nice mix. Now, instead of the Thai curry paste, we're using the spice mix that comes along with the Nongshim noodle packet. And we are going to flavor all the vegetables with the spice mix. We're going to cook this mix for about 5 minutes. Now we're adding in a dash of light soy sauce. And we're going to cook this for about a minute. Now we are adding in some water along with some coconut milk. And we're going to simmer the vegetables for about a minute before we add in the noodles. We're finally going to add in the noodles along with the dried vegetables. We're going to take some kaffir lime, just crush it with your hands, add it in, some zest of the kaffir lemon, and we're going to allow this to cook till the time the noodles soften. So after about 5 to 7 minutes, the noodles will cook completely. And we are now going to plate our coconut curry noodles. You can always garnish it with some spring onions and some Thai herbs. Also have some coriander sprigs here. And a wedge of kaffir lime. So that's your vegan ramen noodles with some coconut curry using the Nongshim noodles.